Santorini, and it doesn't seem very clear as to how to get to the hostel. It's quite far away. It's not in the place, not in the place where the port is. So I went to an information desk and said, "Can I get a ticket to, or how do I get to Carissa?" And he just like said, "I booked a taxi." And I'm like, I didn't ask for that. Then it was €30. I'm like, it's a bit steep. It's like a 15-minute drive. I said, he goes 20. So okay, whatever, that works. And then he was like, cash only. I said, well, I don't really have any cash on me. And he goes, just cash only. So I'm like, And he goes, okay, Karen, what is the truth? Ratio is just not sustainable. Like 1 mile per Vicky right now. It says dinner side. I said that and then got dropped off. My bad. Right, the hostel. There's a pool again. I have to try that one out. Just checked in. I got this whole room to myself for a day. People check in tomorrow, but it's mine today. Yes. Hostel's very quiet, so it might just be a quiet night tonight, which I'm not entirely mad about, to be fair. So, I might go on a little bit of a walkies in a bit. It is quite warm, so maybe I'll chill for a little bit. Otherwise, sweet. Booked on a boat tour tomorrow to the volcano and the hot springs, so some content to come. So in the last few hours doing absolutely fuck all. Went to the shop, got some supplies. The boat trip tomorrow does not have food and drink included, so need to take some of that with me. There is stops for restaurants, and I think there's an island you can go to where you can actually get lunch, but your snacks and whatnot are not included. Got the previous vlog uploaded at the hostel Wi-Fi. Surprisingly, it was a lot quicker than the one in Athens, so 2 hours as opposed to the 7 it took the last time. So I had to sort of stick around. Well, my phone was charging anyway, but needed to get that up or loaded. It's currently it's 20 to 9. I've not eaten, but I've also not done a run yet, and I need to. It is imperative, it must be done. So I'm going to go out for a wee jaunt, a wee saunter, a wee plod, a run. I don't know what the fuck I'm on about. Go for a run down the coast. So maybe going to throw in some clips of that. Maybe I won't. You'll have to wait and see. And after that, it is certainly scran time. But I can use this as a bit of an opportunity to scout out the area. We're not too far from the beach, and I'm sure there'll be some lovely beachfront type places that will do a reasonably priced meal. So I think. So yeah, let's go and do that. Bloody nice evening for it. Just spotted this on my run. Fucking postman will stay at him. 4.9k into my run. I ran down a dead end. Map said you can go through this way. You cannot. And this is a warning. Scary dog. I suppose I'll call that run a day then. Try to figure out how the heck to get home. Update your maps, Google. What are you playing at? When in doubt, go the way you came, or Although now I feel like I'm going to be doing the walk of shame in front of all the bars and restaurants that I ran past earlier. Just high and mighty on a run at 9 PM on Saturday night. Is it Saturday? On a Saturday night. Now look at me, sweaty and lost. You may recall I mentioned a volcano which is just off the coast of Santorini. I suppose part of Santorini really. And it is that volcano and a rather large and catastrophic eruption that happened many years ago that has caused the sand we know today to be black, and why it's so unique as an island. Probably why it's so fucking expensive too. It was all covered with pumice and ash, and that mixed with the sand, and that still remains today. It gives it that lovely uniqueness, and if you're passionate about sand, a reason to visit. I found my way home, back in the hostel. Ran into the host when I returned. Asked him where was a nice place for some food. So got a nice local recommendation for a restaurant not too far away from here. Shuts at like 11. It's currently 9:53. So I'm gonna have a quick shower and then go and get some food because I'm bloody hungry. I haven't eaten since breakfast. Even that was just a croissant. And I did have Jockey Bickies on the bus. So if we can call that lunch, then we'll call that lunch, but otherwise, scran time. Showered, ready for some food, but also love the tan line. We're drumstick squashing it up in here. Let's go out and have some lovely Greek food. Peace. Bash. I've returned home post-scran. That was delightful. It's just like a little kebab shop. Pita, gyros, chicken gyros, tzatziki, onions, chips, like tomatoes. Can't go wrong with it really. Just saw the host again. Told him, and he says, "You like?" I said, "Very much. I'm sleepy now. I'm very full. I didn't finish it all." So we hit the hay and wake up nice and early in the morning for a all-day boat trip to even to sunset. So hopefully we'll get a nice little sunset shot going at the end of the day. But that'll be exciting. So looking forward to that. So I definitely need to rest before then. So I'm going to sign out for day one in Santorini. And see you tomorrow. Oh, dressed, ready? Time for a boat trip. Let's go. Quick stop at the old port of Vera to get more travellers. Pulling into the volcano. That looks like the hike we have today. Could be too bad. Really volcanic rock. Time for a hike. Some view. In the back is Vera. Up there. Okay, now. Scramble coming in, looks like. There is the sun. all the little crates. Waiting for the rest to get up the hill and then we'll get some information. Haven't seen it yet, but we'll get some good views. I may not catch it too well on camera, but you can see, yeah, well I can see. Yeah, there's a steam vents. There we go. That's so strange. Are, which we'll be seeing next. That navigation on my hand is why I can't reverse park. Some view though, eh? Little lizard friend. He lives here. Now approaching Hot Springs. You do have to swim there. So it comes to like 15, 17 degrees normally, so quite cold. But then when you swim there, it's supposed to be 25, 26 degrees. 10 degrees hotter than the sea around it. It's pretty significant. I'm not sure how long I want to stay in a hot spring in this heat. Probably about 30 degrees right now. But it's certainly worth the experience. Obviously can't take my phone, so I'll check it afterwards. We'll have a dip. Of course we'll have a dip. Hot spring's done. Round bit is where it's warmer. I use the term warmer loosely. It was lukewarm at best. Swimming back into the cold bed. Not fun. It's nice to see some fish. Camera's picking them up. Touchdown into Russia. Gotta walk up there to get to the town. This hill. This is very steep. Oh. There we go. We keep going. This is a long day. Not too much to go. 2 more flights. We can do it. We made it. In one piece. Fuck me, I'm shattered. How steep. But it's beautiful. You have the right idea. We'll have a little stroll through to Rissa. There's only 300 people that live here, I think, from what I've been told. And it's a very traditional Greek city, or town. Yes, it's more of a town. We've got like an hour or two here, Hello lads. And a little bit of an explore. But I do think I'll probably go back to the boat. Maybe have like a lie down or something. Get out the sunshine, because, well, I'm dying. They did also have donkeys here. But don't get the donkeys. It's cruel. I know they like hills, but it's cruel. You can walk. Most. Anyway, it is tough to walk, to be fair. You need a cable car. I made a friend. A nice church, I think. And then, I believe this is our school. For the 300 occupants of this lovely town. It's very quiet, worth a visit. Back down we go. This is the fun bit. Might set the Strava going and see if I can set a new 5k PB. Or that, I'll go flying off the edge and into the sea. Either way, it's content. Tell you what though, going downhill, my quads are taking an absolute beating. I just want to get down. So scary. Time skip from the last video, but I was mistaken. It's not a sunset on the boat, it's just a sunset drop off in oh yeah, whichever one it is. So dropped everything now, it's 5:30, got till 9 o'clock, so lots of exploring to do, maybe some food. We'll go from there. Had a little bit of a mooch through Santorini so far. It's bloody lovely. Just got chatting to a nice older couple who wandered past. Turns out to be British. I think everyone just knows each other's British. You just give the nod and it's like, yeah, that's a British person. Apparently I've gone more to the south of Oya, which is a bit quieter. So I'll have a wander back the other way and see what it's like. For now though, I'm plunked in the shade. It's still very warm. So I'm going to chill for a bit and then get wandering. Already so much busier.
Andiamo a Parigi in mezzo alle risposte.
Ah, se credi adesso Parigi fortissimo, stiamo cercando di però col giusto la voce carica. Sì, sì, sì.
Ma tutto quello che
Come se fosse la prima volta che eravamo. Bravo! Parigi!
That's a wrap on Santorini. What a bloody long day. It's currently 10:15. I've just arrived back at the hostel after the transfer. Nipped to the shop. I have a very early ferry tomorrow, and that means a very early bus transfer. 6:30 is the bus to get to Fira, and then Fira, the bus to Athenos port, where I'll be taking a 9 AM ferry to Eos, which is my next destination. Under normal circumstances, I say normal as if I've been doing this ages, I would do 2 days in one, but I was throwing some clips together just now and it's looking like it's another sort of 30-minute, but just for the stuff today. So I'm going to call this one, call it a day, call Santorini a day there. It's an interesting island. I think there's plenty of things to do, although if I'm perfectly honest, I'm quite glad I'm off to the next destination now. It's very expensive here. It is not budget friendly. It is not a backpack destination unless you have prepared some extra budget, which I have not. So yes, that's it for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Apologies, it was a bit of a windy one. Can't be helped if you didn't hear me. I apologise. We'll maybe add some subtitles. It depends how much time I have now. But otherwise, yeah, stay tuned for the next chapter of the Cyclades Islands, which will be Eos, swiftly followed by Naxos, and after that, I have no plans. So, thanks so much for watching if you've watched this far. See you in the next one. Peace.